Do you know that Srimad Bhagavad Gita is one of the greatest and the oldest religious spiritual book? Yes, the Bhagavad Gita is an ancient India text which is also called Gita or Bhagavad Gita and is being considered to be universal truth doctrine which has been influencing people all over the world. The word Bhagavad means God and Gita means a song which together makes it as the song of God. This religious spiritual book is a part of Mahabharata and ascribed by a sage Ved Vyasa. Do you know that Srimad Bhagavad Gita is one of the greatest and the oldest religious spiritual book? Yes. Reasons to read Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 12 রিজন কেন পড়বে 12টা কারণ আছে। 1 নম্বর ক্লিয়ার সেলফ ডাউটস, 2 নম্বর ধর্মা, 3 নম্বর যোগা, 4 নম্বর পাথ টুয়ার্ডস এম, 5 নম্বর গেট টু নো মোর অ্যাবাউট ইয়োর সেলফ, 6 নম্বর নলেজ অ্যাবাউট সোল, 7 নম্বর পারপাস অফ আওয়ার বডি, 8 নম্বর পাথ টু গেট ক্লোজার টু গড, 9 নম্বর purpose of birth and soul, 10 number attain moksha, 11 number attachment with God, 12 number universe a part of God. Reason to read Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita was originally spoken by Lord Krishna to Pandava Prince Arjuna in the battleground when he felt weak while fighting against the Kauravas and his friends relatives in opposition. At this particular moment, Lord Krishna dictated the Gita Gyan to Arjuna, and from the very particular moment this book has been considered to be a holy book which helps people in knowing more about self, God, soul, liberation, yoga, dharma and much more. Why should we read the Bhagavad Gita? So here we are with all the major 12 reasons to read the Bhagavad Gita. 1 number clear self doubts. It helps in clearing self-doubts which most of us face time to time. If you ever faced those, then Bhagavad Gita helps you in clearing all those doubts by telling you an exact answer. Even Arjuna was facing these doubts before starting Mahabharata war, and thus Lord Krishna dictated all of the Gita to him. This helped him clear all his doubts, and after that only he was convinced to fight. 2 number Dharma. Gita helps in knowing what Dharma is. Those who don't know what Dharma means or how it can be followed, then Gita is what you should read. Gita shows every aspect and steps of dharma. Even if you have any question about your own dharma, then also Gita helps in solving that. 3 number Yoga. It tells you a lot of information about different yoga like Karma Yoga, Gyan Yoga, Sankhya Yoga and Buddhi Yoga. Yoga plays important role in our lives and Gita shows exactly that. But due to modernizations, we almost left yoga behind. so it also helps in learning different types of yoga. Chart number path towards aim. If you don't know what your aim is, then you must read Gita. It won't exactly tell you what your aim is, but it will definitely show you the path to which you can easily recognize your aim. It clears your mind from unnecessary thoughts, and you are only left with one thing, and that's your aim. 5 number, get to know more about yourself. If you want to know more about yourself and what you should be doing in this life, Gita helps you with that as well. It tells you how you should be living your life to make it more meaningful. 6 number, knowledge about soul. The knowledge about the soul is very less if we take a route through science, but Gita explains a lot about the soul and how it is indestructible. 7 number, purpose of our body. Gita also tells that how our body is made of 5 elements and what's the use of our body in this world. Most importantly, it tells about the purpose of having a body when the soul is already indestructible. 8 number, path to get closer to God. Bhagavad Gita shows you the path to get closer to God. If followed properly, then you can fathom the knowledge being one with the God. 9 number, purpose of birth and soul. It also explains that why our soul is indestructible and why it takes rebirth again and again with different bodies, and also tells that what should be our purpose during a particular birth. 10 number, attain moksha. It shows us different ways to attain moksha, liberation. It is a state of mind in which we do our work and still do not think about anything in return or the benefits. 11 number, attachment with God. It shows that how you can live your life without getting an attachment for material things, and the only attachment you should have is towards God. 12 number, universe a part of God. Bhagavad Gita also tells that how everything in this universe is a part of God. Even the human beings are also a part of God. No matter how much we learn or succeed, the only thing that will matter is what we did for the good of everyone. These are some of the major reasons because of which we should read Bhagavad Gita and should also try to follow its knowledge in our lives. This helps in knowing the real purpose of our life, and it also helps in every turn of our life, whether it's just about clearing doubts or knowing what is right or wrong.